And this is Dad's bathroom. So last summer, Joe came in and put a new vanity, and it has all of its original tile. So we're gonna keep that because it's in fairly good shape. So we are gonna be doing a fun treatment on the window just for the privacy, and then getting rid of these blinds because they get in the elbow space. It's just a small half bath. We're going to be updating the light fixture, hopefully, if Dad can find one today. Painting in here, and then there's some fun little knickknacks and funny signs and stuff that have been put in here. But this stuff is going to come out. Our goal is to put a library wall here. And then up here, along this wall, we have some lead piping that we're going to be doing a floating shelf with. So that's going to be fun to put some knickknacks and such on that. And this is it. Just very, very small. I feel like this bathroom was kind of a second thought because there's not an outlet in here or anything. There's just the light switch. But to give you an idea, this wall is 47 inches wide. And then just this little portion here is 23 inches on its own. And you go above the doorway and it goes across like that. So, yeah. So that's the half bath that we're gonna have some fun with. Hopefully do some updating for storage for Dad. And he's a guy, so we're gonna try to do kind of a man cave meets library type feel in here. So you guys will see it when we come back.
Racheal and I have got a specific idea in mind that she's come up with. I'm just cutting the books for her. The final design is going to be hers. Here we go. Okay, so that's it. But I can't wait for you guys to see Rachel's part of the video so that you can actually see it come together.
If you made it this far, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you a penny. It does help us out with the YouTube algorithm, the more subscribers we get. Please give us a thumbs up. That also helps push us in the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to share our video and leave us a comment and tell us what you think.
Okay, open the door and turn on the light.
Open the door and turn on the light. What? Oh my God, you put incense up there already. Oh, you did hang them up. Oh man, that's nice.
Well, Mom said she'd turn them into a valance later, but for now, I just went ahead and had them hung up for you.
That's to hang my towels up here. That is nice. Man, look at that. Woo! I'm even in here, I'm telling you. Got plenty books to read, huh? Yeah, better. Toilet paper? Look
And
at that.
yeah, it fits everything perfectly.
Oh my goodness,
And there's your
yes.
extra batteries in there for your light up top.
All right, is it hooked up?
It's on a timer. It'll turn off in 6 hours, and then it'll turn back on in 6 hours.
All right then.
So, what do you think of these?
Oh, I love them.
Oh, turn them back on. What do you
Oh, I
think?
like that D here.
Yeah.
I like it. I like that up there.
You still have your mobile sign coming, and that's going to go up here.
Okay.
So,
Nice, nice.
yeah.
I like that. Great. Good job.
Love
Good
you.
job, guys. Appreciate you. Thank you.
It's finished. Now you can show your buddies.
Yes, I will.
Thanks for watching this part, and we'll see you in the next one.